Baby, it hits so hard.
And I hope I'm not alone. It's the city's gonna break.
Everything means nothing if I can't have you.
Hey guys, so good morning. It is 8:04 in the morning and I am up for the day, got up not that long ago, and so now I am going to get dressed and get ready for the day and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm going to update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is 10:51 and so now I am here at my Airbnb that me and my family will be staying at and all that stuff. So so we're just unloading the car and get everything situated and all that stuff. So with that being said, my update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is about 12:40 in the afternoon and so now we are at the beach. We just got here. We're just getting all of our stuff from our cars and all that stuff. So but anyways, with that being said, my update, guys, I'll update you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is about 7:06 and so we just got back from the beach and all that stuff. So so now we're all gonna shower, get clean, and then figure out dinner and all that stuff. So with that being said, my update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now I just got out of the shower and I'm all changed and dressed and all that stuff. So so that shower felt so good. So so we ordered pizza for dinner and all that stuff. So but anyways, with that being said, we're just going to relax, chill and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'll update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is about 9:11, 9:12, around there, and so I just got done eating dinner, and dinner was so good. So so now I am just going to hang out, relax, be on my phone, be with my family and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'll update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now I have been just hanging out in my room, just on my phone and all that stuff. So so now I am in my pajamas for the night, and so pretty soon I'm going to head to bed and all that stuff. So but anyways, with that being said, that's my update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so good morning. It is about 8 a.m. and so I just got up for the day, got up not that long ago, and so now I am gonna go eat breakfast and all that stuff. So with that being said, that's my update, because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time, it is about 10:17, 10:18, around there, and so me and my uncle we are at the store called Alvin's Island and all that stuff. We got here not that long ago, and yeah, so we're just looking around to see what we can buy and what we want, all that stuff. So with that being said, we'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so right now I am finally home. I got home not that long ago, and yeah, so I'm changed into my bathing suit, and we're all getting ready to go down to the beach and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, it's my update. Guess I will update you guys later when I get down to the beach. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 12:25 in the afternoon, and yeah, so we've been just hanging out just in the ocean and just sitting around eating some snacks and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that's my update. Guess I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 2:12, and yeah, so I just got done eating lunch and all that stuff. So yeah, but now I am going to hang out, relax, and all that stuff. So with that being said, that's my update. Guess I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 4:30-ish, roughly. And I've been just hanging out with my family, just sitting, going in the ocean, having snacks, and all that stuff. So, yeah, but anyways, with that being said, that's my update. Guess I'll update you guys later. So, bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 8:45, around there, and yeah, so I just woke up from my nap, and I just got out of the shower, and yeah, so now I have changed and all that stuff. So yeah, but pretty soon I'm going to have some dinner. But with that being said, I'll update because I'll update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so update time. It is about 10:02, 10:03, around there. And yeah, so I had dinner, and dinner was so good. So yes, now I'm just going to hang out, relax, be my phone, and then pretty soon I'm going to head to bed. But yeah, so anyways, with that being said, that's my update. That's what update you guys later. So bye. Hey guys, so I think that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload, and follow me on all my social medias. That'll be down below, and subscribe to my main channel as well. It'll be down like always, and comment down below some of the videos that I can do on this channel and also on my main channel. With that being said, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.